everyone, it's Crystal at Golden Bee Acres, and I just wanted to introduce you to Rhavynn's litter of AKC miniature poodle puppies. There are 5. There's 3 boys and 2 girls. This is one of the girls. Her name is Dottie. Cute face. And then this is the other girl. This is Pepper. And then the other 3 are little boys. You can see his markings. A lot of color. And this one, this is Ollie. He is the smallest. He is just absolutely adorable. You can hear Mom in the background. She wants her puppies back. And they will be 2 weeks old tomorrow, so they should start opening their eyes real soon. So yeah, this is Rhavynn's litter of miniature poodle puppies. If anybody has any questions, just let me know. I'd be happy to talk to you about them. Talk to you later. Bye.